Fifth grade, chapter 8, lesson 5. Interpret division with fractions. Unlock the problem. Elizabeth has 6 cups of raisins. She divides the raisins into 1/4 cup servings. How many servings does she have? You can use diagrams, equations, and story problems to represent division. How many 1/4 cups are in 1 cup? 4. So 4 1/4 cups in 1 cup. How many cups does Elizabeth have? 6. Draw a diagram to solve. Draw 6 rectangles to represent the cups of raisins. So we need 6 rectangles. And it says draw lines to divide each rectangle into fourths. So we need to do fourths. To find 6 divided by 1/4, count the total number of fourths in the 6 rectangles. So how many total fourths do we have, guys? How many fourths? You have 6 total rectangles, 4 in each. So 6 times 4 is 24. So Elizabeth has
24
servings. Example number 1. Write an equation to solve. 4 friends share 1/4 of a gallon of orange juice. What fraction of a gallon of orange juice does each friend get? So they have some total, and then all it is only 1/4 of a total gallon, right? So how many friends are there? 4, right? So they did 1/4 divided by 4. So then they wrote an equation that is related to write a related multiplication equation to solve. So we would turn this 4 over 1 into 1/4. So 1/4 times 1/4 equals 1/16. So each friend will get of a gallon of orange juice. Example 2, write a story problem and draw a diagram to solve. 4 divided by 1/3. Step 1, choose the item you want to divide. And we chose sandwiches. Step 2, write a story problem to represent 4 divided by 1/3 using the item you chose. Describe how it is divided into thirds and ask how many thirds there are. Joe had 4 sandwiches and cut them into 1/3 size pieces. How many pieces does he end up with? So we drew 4 rectangles, broke them into 3 pieces each, and we had 12 total. Example 3, write a story problem and draw a diagram to solve. 1/2 divided by 5. Choose the item you want to divide. We chose pizza. Then write a story problem to represent 1/5 divided by 5 using the item you chose. Describe how it is divided into 5 equal parts. Then ask about the size of each part. Bob had half of a pizza left and wanted to share it with him and 4 friends. How much pizza does each person get? So we drew our circle, divided it in half, broke it into 5 pieces, but what you do to 1/2, you have to do to the other half. And then do they get 10 pieces?
Yes.
No, because they would only get 1/10 of the pizza because it's per person, right? Okay. Share and show. Complete the story problem to represent 3 divided by 1/4. Harmon has a roll of paper that is how long, guys? 3 feet long. She cuts the paper into pieces that are 1/4 foot long. How many pieces of paper does she have? So we could just do this, make this 3 over 1, right? Circle this because we're going to flip it. So we rewrite that as 3 over 1 times what? 4 over 1, which equals
12 over 1 equals 12.
Which equals 12 pieces. Okay, draw a diagram to represent the problem, then solve. Now, I am not going to make you guys draw a diagram. If you would like to choose a diagram, that is perfectly fine, okay? Otherwise, you can do a number sentence. April has 6 fruit bars. She cuts the bars into halves. How many half-size bar pieces does she have? So 6 fruit bars, cuts the bars into halves. How many half-size pieces does she have? So we have to figure out what number is going to go first in our number sentence. So how many full-size pieces do we have? 6. 6 divided by what?
Half.
A half. So I'm going to make this
601.
circle.
1 half.
Okay, and then I'm going to rewrite it as
201. 201 equals 12 over 1 equals 12.
12 pieces. Write an equation to represent the problem and then solve. 2 friends share 1/4 of a large peach pie. What fraction of the pie does each friend get? So 2 friends, 1/4 of a large peach pie. What fraction of the whole pie does each person get? So what are they sharing? What amount? Am I using 2 or 1/4? 1/4 goes first. So 1/4 divided by 2 equals, what am I going to do? Rewrite it as 1/4 times equals
1/8.
So 1/8 1/8 of a whole pie. Okay, and then you guys will do on your own together with the